You can gain some insight out of one book that you may not gain out of another. If you still feel that you need to look into a direction to get whole, gather as many resources as you need. My book is available, and that's where the workbook was birthed, because people kept asking me for more of what they needed. And then this podcast was birthed to give me the chance to have an expansive discussion about one or two strategies that I use on a consistent basis. That is how we make our world better. That's how we make our moves better. And that is why it is so important to be in environments that support you.